Hey guys, I'm on location in South Charlotte at McKee Road at a very cool little enclave that Classica is just finishing up, and they're finishing it up with a brand new model called the Laguna Sur. I can't wait to get in there and take a peek at that. But notice how this really beautiful, small, one-street enclave just sets itself apart with luxury. And here's a house that's about to close, but we've gotten permission to go in and just take a tour of it, the Marin plan. Now they can build this on the lots that they have available right now, not only in the subdivisions that they're currently selling from, but also the On Your Lot person is with me today, and she has some opportunity. Now look at that. Look what they did with that. That's so classy. Instead of just painted brick, oh yeah, I'd do like a gas lantern. But notice the style on that. It's just so classy. Hence the name Classica Homes. Well, let's take a look at the Marin. Again, you can build this in that new 5-lot enclave with huge lots, which is on Forest Lawn over by the cemetery, close to Antioch Church, etc. Now, the tall ceilings mean a lot, the 8-foot doors. You come into the front, and even things like the ceiling fixtures. You know, the founders, Bill and Terry Saint, Terry's all about design, and she had her personal touch on every Classica home. It just feels elegant, from the flooring to the casing around the windows to the fit and finish, guys. This is beautiful. Now, a home like this is the Marin, can be purchased for right in the 1.7, 1.8 range, and comes with a lot of stuff that you wouldn't really even think about or imagine. Now again, just the feeling of this casing right here is luxurious, huge, beautiful. The style that goes into it too, from these gorgeous cabinets, got like a wine freezer and a cooler and a little sink there for some extra food prep. But look at this. Those upper cabinets just add so much to it. And sitting out on the counter is the Classica Homes little care kit. They give you stuff and teach you about how to clean the floors and care for stuff. Now this is just kind of gorgeous when you think about it. Pot filler, using that new contemporary kind of champagne gold. The glass doors on those 2 cabinets. You come to the rear and you've got the finished out pantry, which they can do that for you, absolutely. Or in the primary suite here, they left it blank so they could have a high-end closet company come in and really deck it out. Notice that the island colors, cabinets are different color than the perimeter. Beautiful style. And so guys, these lots that Classica is moving dirt on now, I just posted a short about it just today actually. Those lots are like 2 acres plus or minus. And 2 of those lots are going to have basements. Now see the vault here, this just adds such a dimension, you know, to this plan. The windows flanking the fireplace, the huge sliding glass door, rolling wall of glass. They are noted for their outdoor living space. Notice that they not only have fans, but they also have heaters. I love that. And they have the screens that go up and down at the touch of a button. Some beautiful stone. And then of course, fireplace. There's something about it. And they did this on an existing piece of ground, carved out. I think there may be a dozen, 15 homes here. But having been in a number of Classica Homes models for realtor events, I can tell you that they are just built for entertaining. So let's just say you're an executive that's moving your company to Charlotte. By the way, my commercial partner can help you find space for your business. But just think about it. Wouldn't this be a magnificent place to have, to entertain and to enjoy? Look at the windows. So much light coming in. And this does not have sort of pesky doors to your closet, to your bathroom, etc. This is just a large vaulted room. And you see the door right there on the left. That goes into the primary suite. Let's go here and examine it. So just wide, broad, and they've left room for framed mirrors of your choice. Come here and you've got really a luxury shower with the handheld. A week or two ago when I was at the Classica headquarters and design studio. We did a video with the on-site salesperson talking about plumbing fixtures. And so this room has been left blank for the fancy schmancy closet company to come in. So here's your closet. Wow, this is just magnificent, guys. Again, the colors, the finishes. Wow. So there are, besides the 5 lots that I mentioned that are plus or minus 2 acres, again, guys, just take a glance. Woo, baby. They also have, for sale, a really nice couple of lots left on Lakeside Drive. I should have a video of that here at the end. Lakeside Drive, are you kidding me? Now, if Jude the Realty was here, he'd come up, he'd be at the top of the stairs, and he'd either go over here or he'd go over here, but I did not bring him today. Shame on me, right? Now, this space is amazing. You come in and you've got, again, a good size ceiling height, got this beautiful element of that round all-in-one window, looking at the Laguna Sur right across the street. But this room is huge. It's almost compartmentalized because over on the other side of those balusters, room for an office space. But right here, you've got room for your own little Peloton or treadmill right there, if you so desire. And by the way, some of you are saying, I don't want to move because I don't have room to put my stuff. The answer to your dilemma lays right behind this door. Looky here, right? Plenty of space for you to store your stuff. Guys, Classica is pretty well known for giving an exceptional, really experience in building, and you want that. You don't want a nightmare. You want a boutique builder that can deliver something that's really very special, and they pride themselves on that. Now, here's a bedroom with an ensuite. Very nice. So what is this for you? Is this a guest suite? Or do you have a kid that's getting good grades that you want to reward with a really nice ensuite? Well, maybe you have 2. Well, let's go look at what else is beyond. Now, this space, again, as I mentioned earlier, great little office space, home workstation. The way it works is instead of reaching out to Classica Homes, now see, this is a space that's just perfect. It's like, it's just a closet. It's not even a bedroom closet. That's for your indoor stuff, for conditioned space. But the way it works, you want to call me first. I've got a great team of buyer agents, and we would love to represent you in the transaction. But as always, we need to be there from the beginning. If you have a house to sell, we can help you list and sell your home in the greater Charlotte area, both sides of the North Carolina, South Carolina state line. Love this. It just feels classy. What a great name, right? Classica. And we would love to help you with this transaction and walk you through all the steps of the purchase process until you actually get your keys. So it starts with a phone call to me, 704-345-3400. Again, we're on location at a beautiful Classica Homes enclave. I'm gonna try and get another shot from it from up here. And they're doing this all over. And their on your lot salesperson is brilliant at walking through whether you have a piece of dirt already or you want us to find you one and you want to build on your own lot. Either way, but they are turning out these type of enclaves as well as their larger subdivisions like Stevens Farm and Arden Mill, Fort Mill. So we'd love to help you with it. 5 lots in Weddington schools, like plus or minus 2 acres. You're going to be probably, what did I say, 1.8 or so, 1.9, and you could build this exact house, and maybe with a basement if you want to finish basement on it. So it starts with a phone call to me, 704-345-3400, and we'll see you on the back patio, outdoor living. Bye-bye.